Now we settle the question we've been circling since Module 2. One capable agent with many skills or 50 separate point agents. This is super critical, and most organizations are getting it completely wrong. It's the most important idea in the whole primer. So let's be precise. A point agent does one task. You invoke it, it runs, it stops. No shared context, no access to your live procurement data, no connection to your S2P tools. It's useful, but it's discretionary. The process completes with or without it. On its own, it can look impressive in a demo. The problem starts when you have dozens of them, from different vendors, each with its own data, its own logic, no shared memory. We call this the sprawl trap. Fragmented data, no shared context, governance bolted on late, tool by tool. Every new agent adds another integration to build and maintain. The cost compounds, and the highest value work, the work that crosses several steps, stays out of reach because nothing connects. Enterprise Agentic AI is a different thing entirely. Multiple agents, each with access to real-time data, supplier records, contracts, and your full S2P tool set, coordinating across the workflow, passing context to each other, and checking in with humans at every critical decision point. The alternative is orchestration. Agents working inside one governed workflow, on one data foundation, sharing context with policy and audit in the center, not bolted on. Each agent still does its part, but they pass work to each other cleanly, end to end. It's not optional, it is how the work gets done. Same individual capabilities, completely different outcome, because the value was never in any single agent. It was in how they work together. One executes tasks in isolation, the other delivers outcomes, end to end. That difference is everything. There's a name for what the sprawl trap quietly creates: agent debt. It works just like technical debt. Every quick disconnected agent you bolt on feels like progress today, but each one adds hidden integration, governance, and maintenance costs that you repay later with interest the moment you try to scale. Teams discover it too late when the patchwork buckles. Omid Gamami goes deep on agent debt in the live masterclass. For now, just carry the instinct. The cheap-looking path often carries the biggest bill. So how do you tell genuine agentic architecture from a bag of point agents in a nice UI? 5 questions to ask every vendor. 1. Do the agents share context, or does each start blind? 2. Is there one data foundation or many disconnected ones? 3. Is there a human in the loop and hard guardrails by design? 4. Is governance and audit central or bolted on per tool? 5. As you add agents, does value compound or does integration cost? Save these. They're the most useful thing you'll take from this primer. A single page that cuts through any pitch, which is why we have 50+ agents. Should make you cautious, not impressed. A high agent count tells you how much was built, not whether any of it works together. And working together is the whole game. You now have the core argument of the entire masterclass. Last module, what this means for you, your team, and what to do Monday morning. I'll hand you back to Adrian to bring it home.